This video suggests you 21 easy different ideas that you can try at home and lower your blood sugar naturally. Diabetes can be best controlled by healthy dietary regimen. If you can avoid foods that supplement sugar or nutrients that get converted into sugar during digestion, you can prevent your sugar level from surging. Here's our 21 best snack ideas for diabetes that help in suppressing untimely hunger and also keep your metabolism busy, which is also important to maintain a healthy blood sugar level. Beets are tasty and nutritious veggies. Slices of beetroot with ginger powder or black pepper and bit of lemon can be tasty, filling and also anti-diabetic. This veggie comes with nutrition that improves your health as well. Almonds are rich in fiber, minerals and supplement decent amount of protein. Handful of almonds can be easy to use snacks at any time. These nuts also stimulate internal system to control type 2 diabetes. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which are beneficial for diabetic in various ways. Get 3 to 4 pieces of walnuts to munch on when you feel pressing hunger at odd time. Do not overeat. Limited quantity works as decent snack to manage healthy blood sugar level. You can keep fermented veggies in store at home. These veggies improve metabolic rate and maintain nutritional level. These are useful snacks to lower blood sugar at home by preventing excess sugar or calorie intake. Make whole grain tortillas baked in healthy vegetable oil. Make them crisp and sprinkle healthy spices like garlic and ginger powder or black pepper powder for taste. These work as healthy snacks to suppress hunger and maintain blood sugar. Sweet potatoes are not bad for a diabetic even though these are sweet. Pressure cook peeled sweet potato and cut it into thin slices. Add lemon juice and black salt for taste. This is easiest addition to list of 21 best snack ideas for diabetes. Hey guys, watch this video till end to know about number 1 supplement to lower blood sugar at home. Make preparations beforehand for nutritious salad. Soak black grams, green lentil and barley in water every night. Next day when these have turned soft, remove the water and wrap these in a wet cloth and keep it in cool place. Now whenever you feel hungry, add some tomatoes, onion and black salt and eat. It is healthy way to lower blood sugar at home. Eggplant chips are far better option than potato chips. Cut eggplant in thin slices and bake these in healthy vegetable oil till become crisp. Add spices to enhance taste and eat for handling untimely hunger or as evening time snack. Simplest of all, salted peanuts. You can make at home or buy ready to eat. Salted peanuts in limited quantity are safe to manage healthy blood sugar level. Watermelon is sweet but its high water content makes it safe fruit for diabetics. Sprinkle black salt, mint and other spices, and eat in limited quantity. Watermelon is nutritious and hydrating and provides quick to eat diabetic snack recipes. A cup of low-sugar, low-fat yogurt with berries is instant recipe for healthy snack to lower blood sugar at home. Hard-boiled eggs, simple and quick and nutritious. One of the easiest 21 best snacks ideas for diabetes. Avocado is healthy food and excellent snack to control type 2 diabetes. Eat half of avocado to pass untimely hunger. Sliced apples with peanut butter or sliced dried apples, both are good diabetic snack recipes. Roasted chickpeas with healthy spices are rich in protein and good snacks for controlling blood sugar. Cottage cheese can be consumed plain or after adding healthy spices. It is easy to eat snacks for diabetics. If you have any breakfast idea for diabetes, please share with us by commenting below. I will add in my upcoming videos. Make a cup of chia seed pudding. It is healthy and good for keeping blood sugar under control. Popcorns are tasty, pass hunger and do not add calories or sugar. Good snacks which you can always carry with you. Add boiled black beans to finely chopped tomatoes, onions and some lemon juice and black salt for a tasty salad platter. Roasted black graham. You can make them keep stored in a glass jar. Carry these with you when outside. You can add black pepper for taste. These are good snacks for keeping blood sugar under control. Green salad comprising of cucumber slices, thin pieces of green onion, spinach leaves, parsley and lemon juice. Topping is nutritious and healthy. It is instant diabetes snack recipes. Supplement to lower blood sugar level. Along with healthy diet and lifestyle, use of Diabgon capsules allow diabetic to lead a normal life. These pills keep sugar under control, maintain energy, suppress untimely hunger, frequent urination and thirst and pain in legs, etc. These pills protect nerves and vulnerable organs of the body from ill effects of diabetes and maintain health. Diabgon capsules do not contradict with any ongoing treatment and due to herbal nature do not need any medical prescription. These are safe even after prolonged use. Buy Diabgon capsules at naturogain.com. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.